Welcome to InventorCAM Professor on our series of Jumpstart, the easy way to learn InventorCAM. I'm Sydney, your InventorCAM Professor, and in this session we'll be doing Part 6 of Lesson 1. Now that we've completed our profile operation, we can move on to our pocket. Let's start by right-clicking on Operations in the CAM tree, highlight Add Operations, and select Pocket. As we can see, the workflow of setting up our operation is very similar to the previous operations. Once again, defining our geometry is first and is very similar to creating our profile geometry. We can click on this edge of our pocket, select Auto Constant Z, and it will make a chain from all the edges that compromise our pocket. Once our geometry is accepted, we can move on to our tool. Once in our tool dialog, we can choose select, but rather than add a new tool, we will choose our 6mm end mill created for our profile operation. Next, we will move on to levels. Our top level will be the top of our part, and we will select the bottom of our pocket to set our pocket depth. We can leave the step down at 3mm, half the tool diameter that InventorCAM automatically defaults to. Now in our technology field, we have several options for our toolpath: contour, hatch, or hatch plus finish. By clicking one of these options, we get a visual representation of the toolpath strategy here. For this exercise, we will leave it set at the default option, contour. Over in the offsets area, we have the options of leaving extra material on our wall, island, and floor. We also have the option to do a finish pass on either the wall, the floor, or both. We are going to leave the offsets at 0 and do not need any finish pass. From this point, we can do save and calculate, and then we can simulate. Once in simulation, we will use our solid verify option again. As we use single step through the simulation, we can see the tool come in and start machining our pocket. Since we left no extra material on our wall or floors, we will not see any finish pass in our simulation. That concludes Part 6 in Lesson 1 in Jumpstart. Thank you for joining us on InventorCAM Professor. Take care and have a nice day.